If you are thinking about starting an e-waste recycling business but don't know where to begin, this video will guide you through a complete PCB recycling process step by step. Printed circuit boards are one of the most common types of electronic waste. Most people already know they contain valuable metals such as gold, silver, palladium, and copper. But what many beginners don't understand is that efficient recovery is not a single-step process. It requires proper separation and preparation before you can unlock the real value inside. The first stage is electronic component removal. Waste circuit boards are not directly shredded in a professional process. Instead, components are first removed using a PCB depopulation machine. During this step, a fume extraction and air purification system is typically used to handle any harmful gases generated during heating and dismantling, ensuring a safer working environment. Once the components are removed, they can be further sorted into different grades. Depending on your business model, these components can either be sold directly as mixed electronic parts or classified more precisely for higher value recovery of precious metals such as gold, silver, platinum, and palladium. The second stage is bare board crushing and separation. After depopulation, the remaining boards, now without components, are processed through a crushing and separation system. This process separates metals and non-metal materials efficiently. The metal fraction is mainly copper, while the non-metal fraction consists of fiberglass and resin powder. The recovered copper can be further refined into high-purity copper products, including up to 99.99% electrolytic copper. However, for many new investors, building a full refining system is not necessary. A more practical approach is to directly sell the copper fraction to smelters, metal refineries, or scrap metal traders. The non-metal fiberglass and resin powder also have value. They can be reused in wood plastic composite production, modified plastic materials, insulation materials, waterproofing sheets, and even construction materials such as bricks and cement additives. For beginners, the most stable and low-risk business model is simple: start with mechanical separation, sell the metal fraction to refineries, and send the non-metal fraction to local material manufacturers. This approach avoids heavy chemical investment while maintaining fast cash flow and scalable growth. E-waste recycling is not just about machines, it is about understanding the process, maximizing value at each stage, and choosing the right business model from the beginning. If you are interested in PCB recycling or want to understand the profit potential of this business, feel free to contact us. We can provide you with a detailed profit analysis, process flow, and complete equipment solution based on your raw materials and capacity requirements.